Elemotion launched the HVC 520 high-speed vertical continuous packing machine in 2024. It has realized the integrated automatic operation of the whole process from measurement, bag making, and filling to sealing. The packing speed can reach 160 bags per minute. HVC 520 vertical packed machine is suitable for food and non-food packaging in many forms such as granules, powders, liquids, sauces, and so on. Since its launch, it has been widely praised by customers. Today, we will take you to learn more about this equipment through the video of the food packing plan.